Hey guys, it's RC62, and yes, I am on my motorcycle. And yes, I'm just kind of tootling around my development here, riding around near home. Finally had a topic to talk to you guys about, and I've had this topic for like 6 weeks now? Yeah, something like that. And this is the first chance I've gotten to get out and actually ride at all. As usual, I've got my litany of excuses. Main one is my allergies seem to have kind of come back a bit, and started having some really bad allergy headaches again. So I haven't been able to get out the last couple of weekends, and I'm not out riding on the main streets today, because yesterday I'm doing my husbandly duties and mowing the lawn and cleaning up around the house. I felt really good, and I'm thinking, yeah, I'm going to go ride tomorrow, which yesterday was Saturday, by the way. Today is Sunday. I think it's the 14th. No, today's the 15th. 15th? Yeah, today's Sunday the 15th. So anywho, yeah, I felt really good. I get in the house, take my shower, and as I'm getting out of the shower, I feel this like pull in the muscle that runs down from the base of the skull down the shoulder blade and down the shoulder. And I just kind of knew what was happening. I felt it literally start tightening up, and I kind of got a pulled muscle. So yeah, all night long I'm barely able to turn my head at all. This morning I took a handful of Advil, and I think that's the only reason I'm able to get out on the bike at all right now. But turning my head will give a nice sharp feeling of pain shooting through my shoulder. And so anyway, yeah, not safe for me to go out on the street still, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, anyway, so what topic did I have to talk about? Well, here we go. So, as you know from my last vlog, my last actual, like standing in my driveway showing you my new vehicle, my nice, beautiful red baby truck. If you'll recall, I bought a new truck, obviously, from that video, blah, blah, blah. And, well, when I bought the truck, I insured it with my insurer. And I guess that set off a check from the insurance company on the driving record of the people in my house. So, also, as anybody who's been watching for a while knows, my son last year totaled our Lexus. Well, anyway, long story short, my son had 2 accidents. My wife had an accident like in 2014, which really was not her fault, but the insurance company paid off the claim the other person made. Wish I had a camera in the old truck, because Jeannie was backing out of a parking space, and she looked. There was nobody there, and then all of a sudden she hears a horn, and this lady's jumping out saying Jeannie hit her, and the lady had damage to the right quarter panel on the rear of her car. So the insurance company says, oh yeah, okay, so this person's car was hit in the quarter panel, it's your fault. Well, there was absolutely no paint, no scratches, no nothing on my old truck. Jeannie never even felt a bump. So I think the lady was like pulling some shit. But anyway, that's not really the topic specifically here. What is the topic is, because Jeannie had that accident and my son had 2 accidents in the Lexus within the last 5 years or whatever the hell it is they calculate, 7 years, whatever bullshit number they use, my insurance company sent me a notice saying they're canceling all of my auto insurance policies. So the van, the Fiat, and the new Chevy Colorado. They're dropping me from their rolls. Now here's what really burns my ass. I've been with this insurance company for 18 years. 18 fucking years. I've paid my dues on time. I paid my premiums. Yeah, they did have to pay off on a couple of accidents, But that's why you have insurance, right? That's what insurance is for. So, you know, here I am like, what the fuck, you know? I've been with you guys for 18 years. And they cover my home. I have a homeowner's policy with this insurer too. And I won't say their name, but I've had my homeowner's policy with them before I moved to the new house, and I carried that over to the new house. In fact, this particular insurance company no longer issues homeowners insurance in Florida because they had to actually pay out when we had the hurricanes like 15 years ago to a bunch of people, not me. My house wasn't damaged. And so they decided to pull out of Florida, you know, after like 30 years of collecting premiums from people in the state of Florida, because they had to actually pay out one time, they fucking pulled their insurance. But anyway, yeah, I mean, I am so fucking pissed off. So anyway, I'm going to probably have my homeowner's insurance changed up to a different insurer as well. They didn't drop my homeowners, but I'm pretty sure they would like to if they could. So I'm going to try to get with a different homeowner insurer here eventually. But at the end of this month, instead of having the insurance company that dropped me, I now have Progressive insurance. And I've actually got a lower rate from Progressive. One thing I did do is I told my son, we're going to sign over the van to you. It'll be yours. Get your own damn insurance for it. I told my son-in-law and my daughter, you've got to get your own car. I can no longer afford to have you on my insurance. So there. So anyway, my daughter and my son-in-law got a little Fiat 500 pop. They liked my little Fiat so much, they got one of their own. And they've got insurance. And my son-in-law was quite surprised when he found that his insurance payments are almost $200 a month. Hey, that's what happens when you're a male 25 and younger in the state of Florida. Even though he's got a good driving record, they really jack you for it. And I think he now understands why I said I can't afford to have him on my policy. But anyway, yeah. So I actually had a topic today. And anyway, what do you think about insurance companies? Do I even have to really ask? Yeah, 18 fucking years with the same insurer, and then they drop me. Go figure that.